Workshop Wednesday. How are you today? I'm good. Plugging away, working on a cool pair of spurs. Give you a little peek. You can't see nothing right there, huh? That's blurry. Here they are. They're a pair of spurs for the National Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum for an award that they're giving away with the Annie Oakley Society, the Frank Butler Award. They've asked me to do this in a hurry-up fashion, and so I'm excited and honored to have the privilege. And the tip today is going to come. So I got this. That's kind of hard to focus in on. What that says is aim high. There you go. Now it's focused in. And a little tip today for we're gonna bleed this into collectors alike. Everybody's gonna get a little tip, a little way to evaluate and see what's going on. But that right there is not engraved. I've done nothing to it other than solder it on and clean up my solder. All of this is engraved up, as you can tell. This guy, let's get the lights out maybe. This will help. There we go. So the top part here, I've come in and beveled the edge of my silver ever so slightly. Let's take a little, you can take a flat graver, or I'm actually using my 120 on this because I'm not doing a large bevel, but I've gone in and just kind of cleaned things up and it's a polish, like, I mean, I'm not polishing it, I'm cutting it, but it's a polished look, a refined look, better than this. So if you look down here at so we have aim up here. If you look at the high, I've not done anything yet, no beveling or anything. So it's just not as refined, not as clean to look. So makers, come in, and when you're doing letters like that, it takes time. Dadgummit, it would be a lot easier just to solder that on and go on the way, but it's just one step more, one step of quality. You can get the overs and unders. You see there, tip of my finger. It's inferred there, but you can go ahead and make it look like it up there, and it just looks a lot better. So if you're a collector, hold on, make sure I got this down right side. If you're a collector and you're buying a buckle, buckles are something that have letters on it all the time, then you certainly can check out the lettering and see how refined they've made it, how fine the makers made it, and spurs, sometimes your brand, different things like that. It's just a way to critique what's going on, and makers' way for y'all to get better, and collectors' a way for y'all to make sure you're getting something good. So anyhow, Cheese. What's up, Cheese? Man, he being needy today about something. I don't know what the deal is. It might rain. We're excited about that. Chance this evening, maybe tomorrow or the next day. That's pretty exciting here in West Central Texas. Be awesome. We certainly need some rain. Anyhow, all's well here on Workshop Wednesday. Hope y'all doing good. Bit workshop coming up. Got room in that. Going to certainly have the bit workshop. I got some vibrations on the spur workshop, but still nobody's really signed up and all that. So very close to canceling that. If you do sign up and I end up canceling, I'll refund your money. Half down deposit to get signed up on the website. And that seems to be a big question. Hey, how do I find out more about your workshops? I hear it on Workshop Wednesday. Well, go to my website, wilsoncapron.com. Go to the website. All that stuff's there. You can sign up for it and then read all the particulars. So anyhow, if there is interest, go at it. And if I do cancel, I will refund. Lots going on though. Patreon's rocking and rolling, and seems to be a great place right now. An easy way for everybody to fit the schedule, and it's a hell of a lot cheaper than coming to a workshop. I promise you that. Yeah, hope all's well, and y'all got any questions, let me know. As y'all have probably figured out, I'm not real good at Messenger. So phone number, you can find my phone number, you can find my email. It's all on the website. Send me a message that way. I feel bad. 2 months later, I go to Messenger. Oh, yeah, crap. And y'all are sitting there waiting for a question to be answered, and I haven't done it. It's not that I don't care. Just there's plenty going on. Emails and phones or certain text message or call is good. So anyhow, hope all's well. We'll see y'all next week. Adios.